Welcome back, Kenneth.
Why, hi. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you? How have you been since we last saw each other in December?
Well, I'm looking forward to a new season in Salem, the Salem walking tours, and I'd like to share something interesting with you. So we're here in front of this home, built for Daniel Owen Company, jewelers here in Salem. And if you look in the window, you see a silhouette of 5 witches. And the homeowner here has done something playful and a little shout out to history. And what she is referring to is Daniel O's connection with really the most iconic Salem witchcraft souvenir that we have. The witch spoon, this fruit spoon here with a witch, stereotypical, the word Salem, and 3 pins. They were evidence, or they're representations of evidence from the Salem witch trials. This silver spoon, created by Gorham in 1890 for Daniel Owen Company. It was an idea that Daniel O's son Seth brought back from a trip to Germany, where he'd seen sterling silver collector spoons. Not that they didn't exist already here, but he created, or they had created, a silver spoon souvenir collectible for the Salem witch trials. I think, if I'm doing the math correct, 198 years after the trials are over. So here's the thing. This became very popular in their catalog. In fact, many people bought them for their mothers and mother-in-laws. I don't know what that exactly is saying. Now, a year later, in 1891, they come out with the second model. It's a little bit more collectible. Has a broom on it, the 3 pins, a hanging rope, but the noose is frayed off. A cat, presumably black, a witch on a fragment of the moon, waning or waxing, I can't remember right now. And if you turn it over, you see the frayed hanging rope. You see the other side of the cat. And this here is an orange bowl, a different purpose than a fruit bowl. Anyways, these are the most iconic witchcraft souvenirs. Now, fast forward to 2026. The most iconic souvenir is not found in a silver bag, but is a t-shirt found in a witch tease yellow bag that you'll see going down the Essex Street pedestrian mall. And the busier the day, the more yellow bags. So today's iconic souvenir is this, and yesterday's iconic souvenirs are these. Anyways, I look forward to seeing you. Salem walking tours. Come and visit. In the evening, I do a haunted tour as well.